It's a new beginning, fresh out of sacks and some Gucci linen. She won't leave a man, cause with me she winning. And my wrist looking like I sell bricks for living. These rolls are...
What's up, Rebels? It's your girl, Beauty Rebellion, and I am back with the hair review for you guys. As you can see from the caption, the company I'm working with today goes by the name DSoar Hair. Here I'm just showing you guys the packaging and how the hair box looks and what comes inside of the box. Inside of the box, I received a beauty blender, I received some pretty cool lashes, and I received my hair. The hair that I'm reviewing for you guys today is the Peruvian curly hair, and the lengths I received are 2 of their 26-inch bundles, a 24-inch bundle, and I received a 20-inch frontal. Here's how the frontal looks outside of the packaging. And I'm also going to go ahead and remove the hair bundles from their packaging and show you guys how the texture looks. And this is how the texture looks outside of the packaging. I went ahead and made the 3 bundles and the frontal into a frontal wig off camera. And this is how it looks. Whenever I receive new hair, I always wash it first before installing it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera as well. And after washing and conditioning my hair, this is how the wig should look. As you can see, the frontal comes very full. And in order to make it look more natural, we're going to go ahead and pluck the hairline a little bit. With my pretty pink tweezers from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm just going to go ahead and pluck the frontal out a bit. This is not a detailed video on how I pluck the hairline. If you guys would like me to do one, let me know in the comments. I have a nude cap here. I'm going to go ahead and do the bald cap method. Or let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me do it step by step, and I'll make sure the next video is more detailed. So here's the wig, and it is super pretty. I am just loving the curl pattern. I added on an elastic band to my wig, and this is something I do on all my wigs because I do have a small head and it just gives me more security. So here you see me making sure it fits. And it does. The glue I'm going to be using to apply my wig is the Ghost Bond Lace Glue. I got this from my local beauty supply store and it ran me about $18. But trust me, it's worth it. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this like so. And then blow drying it until the glue is clear and tacky. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my wig on. Once your wig is on and in place, you're just going to take that rat tail comb and you're going to lightly press on the lace. This is going to help the glue dry a little bit quicker and also help the lace blend with your skin. Using my blow dryer again, I'm just going to blow dry it until it is completely dry. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing on the opposite side. To finish up my lace and to lay my baby hairs down, I'm going to be using my Gorilla Snot. Taking a dime size on the back of my hand, I'm going to be using that same rat tail comb, dipping it into the product and pressing my lace down with it. Now with a spoolie brush, I'm just going to brush my hair and my edges into place. Once your hairline is formed in exactly the way you want it to look, you're going to take your silk hair tie, head scarf, whatever it is that you like to use to lay your edges down, and you're going to put this on. You're going to tie it, and you're going to let it sit for, I say about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, after those 10 minutes is up, we're going to finish up with our Bio Silk Therapy Light Formula Serum. And what I usually like to do is rub the oil all over my hands and throughout my fingers, and then work it through my hair. Don't mind me, y'all. My favorite song was on. Nah, but this is the finished look. I'm not a pro with the frontals yet, but I am getting the hang of them, so I thought it would be pretty cool to show you all my techniques. So yeah, shout out to DSoar Hair. Check them out for quality hair bundles, frontals, and wigs. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week. Love you guys.
It's a new beginning. Fresh out of sacks and some Gucci linen. She won't leave her man, cause with me she winning. And my wrist looking like I sell bricks for living. These